Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to make a circle in After Effects. After starting After Effects, I add a purple image background into composition. Now, if we want to make a circle, we can go to Shape Tool, click and hold, and choose Ellipse Tool. And then click and drag to draw an ellipse. If we want to make a perfect circle, we can press Shift and move the cursor to adjust the size. And then release the mouse button to create a perfect circle. And then if you want to change the circle, we can go to Properties window. If you don't find this, we can go to Window and Show Properties here. Now I go back to Properties window, open it, and then we can go down to Shape Properties. We can change color. For example, I change it to blue and press OK. Actually, we can fill it with no color, or we can fill it in solid color and fill it in linear gradient or radial gradient. I go back to solid color. Actually, we can change the stroke width and change it to here. Now we can find that the anchor point is not at the center of the circle. If we want to make sure that we select the shape layer and go to Layer and Transform and go down to Center Anchor Point in Layer Content. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Home to move anchor point to the center of the circle. So if we want to move circle to the center of the composition, we can press Ctrl-Home to move circle to the center. So this is how we can make circle in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.